What's up everybody? I wish that you are fine and welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this mini PC. This one is from Geekom and I had to spend around $430 to buy this one. This one is a Intel i5-8259U processor mini PC. This one comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of M.2 card. But there are a few interesting things about this mini PC and that's why I thought I should share this with you. Well, before we start the video, one request. If you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and if you want to watch more videos like this, then please subscribe and share the love. Let's start from the beginning. Let's start from unboxing. After opening the box, the first thing we have got is the Geekom Mini IT8. It has its own weight, it's not that heavy and it truly feels premium in hand. It's nice to see that Geekom has wrapped the front panel. So this one comes without any scratch. There is a big vent on the left side with a Kensington lock port. That means this one can be used in public without being worried. At the rear panel, you will notice a big air vent, a power port, a mini display port, a HDMI port, two USB-A Gen 2 and a USB-C Gen 2 port, which means all of these ports are capable of 10GB per second data transfer. On the right, like that left panel, there is a similar metal mesh grill for airflow and ventilation. But this SD card slot made me very happy. Finally, I can have a dongle-free setup. At the front panel, there is this power button, hard disk LED light, a 3.5mm port, one USB-A and one USB-C Gen 2 port. I personally believe this Geekom Mini IT8 offers more ports than any other mini PCs available in the market. Okay, let's see what else we have got inside the box. There is a standard 3-pin cable and a very nice premium adapter. I know this adapter brand and this one is one of the best in the adapter industry. It's nice to see that they have even tried to add some design element on the adapter. Okay, there is a user manual and finally there is a mini PC that comes with a proper user guide in English. Great! Everything is well described and the illustrations are very useful. Geekom has also added accessories to attach this mini PC at the back of your monitor or to mount it on a wall. At the beginning, I have mentioned this one has some nice features and upgradability is one of those. You can add additional SSD, you can even swap the M.2 storage card. You can swap or upgrade the RAM. If you want, you can change the Wi-Fi card. Oh yes, I must mention this one already has a very good Wi-Fi card and built-in Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity. For now, I have added a Samsung 2TB SSD and I will upgrade the RAM later on. This one comes with dual channel RAM slots, so I think I should use that. When I think about it, other brands are at least twice more expensive and offers a very minimum upgradability, while Geekom Mini IT8 has a cheaper price tag and you can see we can upgrade almost everything. Okay, it has booted to Windows 11 without any issues, boot up time is very fast, and one more thing, this PC comes with a licensed original Windows 11. Okay, now I'm gonna share 4 most important facts or points about this mini PC. The first thing I should share with you is we can do a lot of things with this one. We can upgrade the RAM, we can upgrade the storage, we can have different type of storage installed at the same time, and we can even change Wi-Fi card and do many other things. This one comes with a lot of ports, so I have never felt like I have to use a dongle, and this one never gets hot. The ventilation of this one is pretty good. Yes, there is a fan and when the fan goes on full blow mode, there is a noise, but I think that is acceptable, and as this one isn't a gaming PC, I don't think you will use it up to that extent. But if you wanna know whether we can play games on this one or not, then yes, we can play games. I have tried to play a few racing games on this one. We actually didn't buy this one for gaming, but I have tried to play games and the performance was smooth. in medium graphics settings, all the games have performed very well. I prefer to play racing games and Forza Street is one of my favorite, and I have managed to manually select high graphics settings. It performed quite well. Now we will check Cinebench. Yeah, Cinebench score, the single core score is really great. For this processor, the performance of Cinebench is good and even multi-core performance is great. But one more time, I have to mention, when I ran Cinebench multi-core test, this device really didn't generate any heat. Yeah, it got a bit hot, but comparing with other mini PCs that I have here, this one is the coolest one. And the fan blowing sound, even at turbo mode, isn't as big as those other mini PCs. So at this moment, this one is one of my most favorite mini PC here, but I will continue to do more tests, more comparisons with other mini PCs, and if you are interested, if you have any recommendation that please compare this Geekom Mini IT8 with this one, then please let me know the name of that other brand or other device, other mini PC. Okay, I have said I'm gonna share 4 points. The first point was upgradability, second point was you can play games, third point is very good benchmark and cooling performance. Then what's the fourth point? That's customer support. Usually this type of brands, relatively new brands with a few products, most of the time we don't get very good customer support and sometimes it takes long time to get any type of reply from customer support. The first thing I have done after I have bought this one, after I have got this one in my hand, I have sent 2 different emails to the customer support. The response time is really very fast. Within hours they have replied. I was like trying to find out how is the customer support and I was like asking like a noob how to do this, how to do that, and they were like very supportive. Well, I think in Hans Studio Pro we will use more of this Geekom Mini IT8, but in Hans Studio Pro we actually need more other PCs, more other mini PCs. So we will buy more and we will check more and we will share more with you. So if you're interested, then please don't forget to subscribe, and if you have found this video helpful, then please don't forget to click on the like button. Well, that's all today and I will wait for you in my next video.